Okay, when we launch the website, sometimes the DNS or whatever happens in WPEngine will actually mess with this. So you'll see the menu is actually messed up on this website. Everything else looks great, but the menu for whatever reason is like this. What you do to fix this is you go to Elementor, Settings, and this is specifically on WPEngine hosting. For whatever reason, the DNS gets like kind of switched up when you're using Elementor. So you go to Advanced, CSS Print Method, change that to Internal Embedding, save the changes, let that refresh up here, and then once it refreshes, you'll switch it back to External File, and once that loads, that should flush the DNS or the cache on Elementor and kind of toggle these back and forth so it's pointing to the right place for some specific settings like the header up here. So once that is done refreshing, what you're going to do is go to the WPEngine tab and go to caching, and then you will flush the cache one more time. And so as soon as that resolves, you're going to flush the cache. Once you see the date change or the time change, so I just flushed it recently, you come back here, see the menu is messed up. When we refresh this, it should be all fixed. And that is how you fix the issue that you're having with the menu or some other items CSS wise on WPEngine with Elementor when you launch a website. So if you see the menu is broken or anything else is broken on the website, try that trick first, where you go to Elementor Settings, toggle the CSS pointing to an internal embed instead of an external file, and then toggle it back just to refresh that CSS setting, and that should switch the print method back, kind of refresh the CSS, and then again go to WPEngine, clear the cache, and everything should look good to go. So that is how you fix the menu issue when you launch the website on WPEngine.